Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This will be another quick 5 minutes tech talk video. So if you have seen my previous tutorial, we spoke about one of the Docker command we use, right? So in this tutorial we will see how to remove all stop containers by a single command. So what we are going to see is we are going to see the Docker container prune command, and we will see what are the options we can use along with that. Okay, so the command would be like Docker container prune and the options. So if you are a new person who is watching my channel, or if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So others, please continue supporting to me as you are doing, and thank you for your great support in year 2020. Okay, and looking forward to work with you all in this year as well. So in order to start, to just show you, like, I have a Docker running on a CentOS machine. So if you don't know how to set up Docker, please check the video description on the tutorial how to set up Docker on CentOS. Okay, and if you see, I have no containers running as an active state, right? So if I run docker ps-a, there are 3 containers which are stopped, right? So usually what you do is, if you want to remove a container, you stop the container first, right? Docker stop, and then you remove like docker rm and the container ID or name, right? So that's how you do it. Now what we are going to see here is how we can delete all the containers in a single option. So what you can do is you can just run docker container prune. Okay, and if you press enter, it will ask you to remove all the containers. So if you press yes, it has removed all the stopped containers. So it's a simple command. So some of you may not be aware like how to remove all the stopped containers. Okay, so you can just run docker prune command and it will remove all the containers. Now let's see what are the other options we have along with docker prune. Now for example, I have created some more containers and it's top now, right? So it's you see Alpine, Docker, Postgres and MySQL. So now we have seen Docker container prune, right? So it will when you run, it will ask you to give a confirmation whether yes or no, right? So if you don't want to get that, what you can do is you can run docker container prune -- force. So now it does not ask you for any option, it just delete all the containers, right? So if you want to know more about the options, you can use docker container prune -- help. So it will give you the options. Like we have 2 options. One is the force, which we have already seen. Another one is a filter. So filter, it's given an example like until the timestamp, right? So what it says, like if you want to delete some of the containers with the timestamp, like 5 minutes ago, what all the containers are stopped before 5 minutes, what you can do is you can do a filter on it, and you can give like until equal to 5 minutes. So it will remove all the containers within 5 minutes, but since we have the containers only seconds, let me see now what's time. So it's only just about a minute. What you can do is you can do for 2 minutes. Let's make it 2 minutes. So you can see it has deleted only 2 containers, and these 2 are, I think, was 2 minutes, and 1 container is still running. Okay, so what it has done is, like, it has removed only the stopped containers which are greater than 2 minutes. So similar way, like you can do automation that every stopped containers more than a day or something can be deleted automatically. And you can also do this same not only just with timestamp, you can also do like some label is there. You can use label test. So since I don't have any containers with label set, it is not deleting anything, but let me create a container with a label. Okay, so I'm just creating a simple Postgres container, but this will not work because I'm not setting any seek password for on the user account for the Postgres, so it will just fail it. But we just want the see a container created, right? So now if I delete the container with the docker container prune and filter, I want to do it with a label equal to test. You can see it has deleted the container 479, right? So this is the container we just created with the label as test. So similar way you can delete the containers with the filter, so you don't have to delete all the containers at a time. So you can, based on timestamp or label, it's very simple to do it. So that is all for this tutorial. Okay, so again I would request you, like, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, share and comment.